I am the co-head of the Global Summit Flotilla Legal Affairs, and minutes ago I spoke with the German embassy in Israel about the Global Summit Flotilla abductees, notifying them that I'm also the legal representative to the German mission and asking about the consular activity regarding them. And they refused to give me any information, and they also have not given the family members any information in the last more than 48 hours since their loved ones have been taken illegally in international waters and brought against their will and as a form of arbitrary detention into Israel. This is a violation not only of basic decency, but of binding international law. The Global Summit Flotilla is the largest international peaceful movement aiming to bring baby formula and desperately needed aid to Gaza. On the night of October 1st and 2nd, the flotilla was attacked in international waters. The ships were seized and all of the 480 people on board, including 15 German citizens, were forcibly taken to Israel against their will, as already said. They are, according to the Israeli National Security Minister Itamar Ben-Gvir, the activists from the flotilla are being transferred to Keziot prison, one of the most notorious detention centers in the Negev desert in Israel. This prison has long been associated with systematic abuse of Palestinian prisoners, including torture, humiliation, sexual violence, denial of food and medical care, and violent assaults that in some cases have led to deaths. Sending peaceful activists there is unlawful and exposes them to conditions internationally recognized as cruel, inhumane, and degrading. For more than 55 hours now, the abductees' families have not received any official information from the German government. They have no confirmation where the participants actually are. We have no notice if they are in well-being. We have not heard anything since their illegal interception on international waters. They could have been seriously harmed. There could be a serious threat to life, and the families know nothing about this. All German citizens have the right to consular protection in case of a foreign hostile attack. The Vienna Convention of Consular Relations guarantees the right to contact with their embassy and obliges the German authorities to intervene, to visit them and to ensure their safety. And yet, we know from bitter experience that the last time Yasmin Akka was abducted, the German embassy failed to visit her at all. She was left without protection, without oversight, without support. That cannot be allowed to happen again. The German abductees are human rights defenders and non-violent peace activists. The Global Summit Flotilla mission is entirely legal and exists purely because states like Germany refuse to fulfill their international legal obligation of preventing genocide and delivering humanitarian aid to a deliberately starved population by Israel. I call on the German government, the Foreign Office and the Chancellor directly to fulfill your duty finally, to contact the families, to confirm where the German citizens are being held and in what state they are, to visit them immediately, to demand their immediate release and to bring them home. Every hour without action endangers their safety. Every day of silence is a betrayal of the German government's duty to its citizens. Other families from other delegations are being informed. The German families are not. I speak today not only as a lawyer, but as someone demanding accountability from the German state. Do not remain silent. This madness must end. The impunity must end. The German citizens and all other citizens from the about 50 countries worldwide, they need protection, they need accountability now.